Hello everyone, welcome to Luke Cookbook. Many Americans may have used or heard about Luffa sponge as a natural exfoliating shower scrubber, but don't know the fresh younger version is a very common vegetable consumed in Asia, including China. Luffa, or spongy gourd, is called 丝瓜 in Chinese. You can buy Luffa from any Asian grocery stores. Today, I will show you a very simple yet authentic recipe to make Loofah Egg Soup, in Chinese, 丝瓜鸡蛋汤. First, you remove the loofah skin with a peeler. Then, cut into irregular pieces with the other hand rolling it as you cut. Chop up green onions into tiny pieces. Beat up 2 eggs in a small bowl. Now, in a large pot over high heat, heat 2 cups of filtered water. Add in loofah cuts and add salt to prevent loofah color change. While waiting for boil, make some cornstarch solution with a small bowl. When it boils, swirl in starch water. Add in olive oil and black pepper powder. Swirl in beaten eggs, followed by a few gentle stir. Add in green onion pieces right before transferring the soup to a big soup bowl. Voila! The Loofah Egg Soup is ready for you to enjoy. Let me know what you think about this simple recipe, and thanks for watching Luke Cookbook. See you next time.